Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, as you can see, we're getting ready to start an organic garden. This organic garden, we're gonna create it from start. This is gonna be the first video that we're gonna be showing. When you start an organic garden, the first thing you wanna do is know where the sun is coming from. Very important. The sun is very important because you want to make sure when you plant your food is able to get sunlight. So as you can see, there's a lot of leaf right here, and as we can see underneath, the soil looking pretty well, which is wonderful. And we're going to use these old logs that you see up here, all these old logs, and we're going to use them and we're going to build an organic garden. So the first thing we want to start doing today, we realize we already come, and what we realize that the sun shines in this area really well. And if the sun shining in this area really well, then you want to use this area to plant. As far as we see, the soil is awesome underneath it. So what we want to do, guys, we want to start moving out